Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the free online international summit on artificial intelligence concept, and it is conducted by the Government of India, by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and the Niti Aayog. And this conference or else this international summit is completely free of cost. So many international speakers are coming here on this platform, so it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are focusing on the artificial intelligence or who wants to focus the artificial intelligence in your future. Then it is a very good opportunity to all of you guys. So on behalf of UGC, that I am also requesting all of you that please participate in this international summit on artificial intelligence, which is going to be happen for a long duration. And before going into the details regarding this summit, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your mobile phones. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, it is a official public notice released by the University Grants Commissions on 1st October 2020. Here the thing is, respected sir or madam, the Government of India is organizing a virtual summit on artificial intelligence. Responsible AI for Social Empowerment, RISE 2020, from 5th October to 9th October 2020. The Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has kindly consented to inaugurate this event on 5th October 2020. The theme of online summit is Responsible AI, Artificial Intelligence for Social Empowerment. Okay, and I request you to kindly disseminate the information about the RISE 2020 amongst your departments, faculty, students and affiliate organizations and institutions for greater participation, and the registration for the event can be done on this website. So here the website link is also given here. I will show you. In this website you will get how many speakers are coming, okay, and what is the duration and what is the schedule. All these things are there in this website. And the RISE 2020 banner is enclosed, which can be put on the website of your university. And for more information, you may contact this number, or else here the mail ID is also given here. So you may put your queries, whatever you are having, to both either mail ID or to the contact number. Okay. And now, so here I am taking you to the website of this one, that is RISE 2020. So it is a website, guys. So it is a website for the registration. So total 5 days, okay, and you have to fill up the details for full name, phone number, email, designation, organization, nationality, country, because it is all over the world summit it is. So you can register by clicking on the button, by filling up all the details provided here. And next one is, if you want to get the overview regarding this summit, then you can check down. So our Honorable Prime Minister is going to start this one, okay, and so it is an overview regarding this summit and regarding the artificial intelligence. So you can go through all this one. And coming to the speakers, so Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and Ravi Shankar Prasad, Honorable Union Minister of Electronics and IT Communications and Law and Justice, Government of India. And next, Honorable Minister of State in Electronics and IT, Education and Communications, and next CEO Niti Aayog. So these are the huge, very big personalities are going to participate in this one, just like the CEO of IBM, that is Sri Dr. Arvind Krishna. So many very big personalities are coming here for this summit to address the summit and to discuss about the artificial intelligence. Okay, so you can check down. So international personalities are also coming here in this summit. So it is completely free of cost that you can available this opportunity. Fine. And we must be very thankful to the Government of India for providing such a very good opportunity on a free platform that we can able to interact all such big personalities. Okay, guys. So please utilize this opportunity and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more information and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini K. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.